Today I am gonna talk about ocean safety, snorkeling safety, and I grew up by the ocean. I snorkel, go freediving all the time. Number one reason people drown, people don't respect the oceans. I have heard so many sad stories. People coming to Hawaii snorkeling and unfortunately drowning. And I just want to stress in this video that you have to respect the ocean. Most of all, ocean is beautiful, of course, but it is a powerful changing environment, and ocean conditions can change at any given moment. I go swimming in the ocean almost every day. I want to stress this point. Snorkeling is a sport. It requires swimming skills. You have to know basic swimming skills, of course. Swimming in the ocean takes different skills from swimming in a swimming pool. First, I'm gonna talk about swimming skills. You need to be able to float on your own. If you are a beginner snorkeler, don't go snorkeling by yourself. Always go snorkeling with somebody. Keep your body flat, face down, and relaxed on the surface. And this also conserves energy. It's very important that you are relaxed in the water. And when moving, use long, slow fin kicks. You can wear the fins. Fins are the best option. It makes you swim faster, and it also helps you float better for the most part. Kick straight from your hips, keeping your knees relatively straight. And breathing is very important. If water gets into your tube, exhale sharply and forcefully to expel the water out of your tube. If you ever feel yourself tired, just flip on your back and float on your back and rest for a while. I do that a lot myself. These are the non-negotiable rules for snorkeling, especially if you are a beginner. Rule number 1, never snorkel alone. Rule number 2, before you enter into the water, check your gear first. Ensure your mask has a watertight seal and your snorkel is securely attached. So for the most part, people drown because they panic. Whatever happens in the water, it's very important that you stay calm. Rule number 3, you have to know your limits. If you are not a good swimmer, if you can't, like let's say, swim 200 meters, 400 meters at a time, the same rule applies when you go snorkeling. You can't expect to be able to swim. You cannot go out there and be able to swim and fight the current in the ocean. If you feel cold, tired, or uncomfortable, that's a time you need to get out of the water. I'm gonna keep this video short and to the point. I am making this video out of all my knowledge. All these years swimming in the ocean, snorkeling, freediving. I said at the very beginning of this video, please respect the ocean. That is the most important thing. And that is the least thing people do when they go snorkeling and enter into the ocean. Wherever your travels take you this summer, to Hawaii or other islands, ocean safety is very important. Keep you safe. Keep you and your family safe. I've got a few snorkeling videos on my channel, so be sure to check them out. I'll see you in my next video.